Alright, so now that we have discussed what line Sentry is actually capable of, let's see it in action. This is a login page where I can log in as either admin or operator. I'm going to log in as admin at the moment. Alright, so I can see the admin portal now, which comprises of a number of pages, and we can see that we also have two options over here. This one is actually for changing the theme. Alright, if you are comfortable with the dark theme, you could just click here and it's going to switch everything to the dark theme. Alright, if you want to log out of the application, you can just click here and it's going to sign you out. Alright, on the dashboard page, we actually have 4 statistics at the very top, which are the number of departments we have in the factory, number of active machines we have, and besides that, the factory's OEE in year-to-date format. All right, and let's say a machine just entered a stoppage, all right, and it hasn't been classified yet, so that's going to be reflected here. All right, beneath it we can actually see the department's overview, so it's going to show us statistics for the departments we have in the factory. All right, a top level view actually. All right, so sheet metal here has 6 machines and it hasn't produced anything. We haven't tested the software on this yet, so it's actually depicting the OEE as NA, not applicable right now, but we can actually click on it and see how it actually looks like. All right, so here I have the actual layout for the sheet metal department, and I have placed my machines on top. And if I want to add a new machine to it, I can just do that by clicking on add machine, and I can type in the name of the machine. Let's say I want to add press 160 ton, and I'll just say it's the 4th one. Beneath it we have description where I can specify the asset number or whatever detail I'd like to mention. I'll click on here. Now you can see that we have this big box appearing here. I can resize it if I want. All right, and I can move it around the factory layout as well. Okay, so that's the functionality we have implemented over here. I'll just go back and I'll switch to thermoforming department. This is something we have actually tested, and similarly we can see the statistics over here at the top for the thermoforming department, because it's just comprising of 1 machine at the moment. That's why the department OEE is going to correspond with the only machine we have here, which is Sunmine. I'm going to click on Sunmine machine now, and it's going to show me the detailed statistics for the Sunmine machine. All right, so we can see that we have some year-to-date statistics on at the very top. We have the OEE, we have mean time between failure, and we have mean time to repair. All right, and beneath it we can actually customize what actually we want to see. All right, so let's say I want to see statistics for just today, so I can just click on today and it's going to present me the statistics for just today. It's default, by the way. All right, so it's going to pick today by default. If I want to see statistics for the week, I can just click here. It's going to bring me statistics for the week. Same goes for month to date and year to date. And if I want to specify the start and end dates and bring statistics for just that time frame, I can specify it over here. All right, beneath this we actually have the real-time production timeline, where we can actually see the machines powering on, them producing, all right, and actually running into stoppages. We can see all that data over here, and also we can see some more data. Like, we can see the number of units produced, we can see defects, how many rejections were there, how much time has the machine been running for within that time frame, the stoppage time within the time frame, the inactive time within that time frame, the operator who was operating during that time frame, and the same goes for mold as well. All right, okay, so I can actually see that there has been a stoppage in the 11th time frame, and that has been due to a mold change of 15 minutes. All right, and we can also see the defects over here as well. So in the 12th time frame we have 8 defects and 93 units were produced. Okay, now just like these custom analytics, we can also bring the timeline for the week. All right, you can see that there have been 2 stoppages over here, one due to mold change and one due to breakdown of 10 minutes. All right, the machine ran for 7.7 hours here. All right, and same goes for month to date and custom range as well. Okay, so now let's head to the users page where I can actually add users, operators and admins, and actually classify them departments as well. All right, and let's say I want to just see the user from thermoforming department. I can just filter it out over here and it's going to display me the users in the thermoforming department only. The same goes for sensors. Sensors are actually signals which we are actually capturing. All right, the power and cycle signals for each machine. Departments, how many departments I have, it's going to be shown here at the top. Then I can just add a new department. We also have the same filter functionality over here, and when I click on a department, it's actually going to take me to its department view page from where I can actually see the layout. All right, there you go, and we can actually view the detailed statistics from here as well. Okay, now I can actually see the molds page where I can update the production capacity. We know that each mold has a different production capacity. Some can produce 100 units within an hour and some can produce more than that or less than that. Right, now let's go to the reports page. This is something which is actually going to provide me with a detailed statistic report. All right, for let's say today, or perhaps the week, or perhaps the month, or the year. All right, or a custom time frame as well. All right, so let's say I want to generate report for just today, which is 27th August. I'll click generate report, and there you go. I can just click this download button over here and it's going to download the report for me. When I click on the report, I can actually see it. I can see that the OOE has been 92%. Then I can see the breakdown of it as well: availability, quality, and performance. The same goes for other matrix over here. I can see the machine-wise performance, the department-wise performance, and you see this is actually in green color. Well, the green color here actually means excellent, and if it were yellowish, then it would have been good. All right, so where am I actually defining this? Well, here in the configuration page, we have this setting where we can actually classify what we consider to be excellent, what we consider to be good, or what we consider to be fair. All right, and then it's going to present those colors in the report. All right, and now one more thing about the report would be that we can actually email them. All right, so I'll just click on this mailbox icon and I'll wait for a few seconds. And it's done. Well, I'll just switch my browser, and there you go. We just got this report at 10:33. Let's see what it looks like. Well, we have the period over here, we have who generated it, we have key matrix, we have the table, and below it we have the report itself enclosed. All right, so now where do I actually configure who gets this report? We can just go to configuration, email, and here we can add all the emails in comma separated manner, and that's going to of the people who are actually going to receive these emails. All right, so this would be it for the demo, and I'll end this video here.